Your living room is the heart of your home, where comfort meets style. Transforming this space into a welcoming retreat requires creativity and attention to detail. Here are 12 inspiring ideas to design a living room that combines elegance and functionality. Choose a statement color palette. The color palette sets the mood of your living room. Opt for neutrals like beige, gray, or white for a calm and sophisticated look, or go bold with deep blues or jewel tones to make a statement. Balance vibrant walls with soft-toned furniture, or vice versa. Incorporating accent colors through cushions, rugs, or artwork can tie the look together, adding depth and personality to the space. Incorporate layers of lighting. Lighting can transform the ambiance of your living room. Combine ambient lighting from ceiling fixtures with task lighting, such as table or floor lamps, for specific areas like reading nooks. Accent lighting, like LED strips under shelves or spotlights on art, adds drama and depth. Dimmable lights offer flexibility to adjust the brightness based on the occasion, ensuring your living room is always perfectly lit. Invest in a focal point. A strong focal point anchors the living room and captures attention. Consider a striking fireplace, a bold piece of artwork, or a vibrant sectional sofa as your centerpiece. Television units, a feature wall with textured wallpaper, or large picture windows can also serve as focal points. A well-defined focal point sets the tone for the room and makes it visually cohesive. Play with textures. Texture adds richness and character to a living room. Mix materials like a leather couch with a fluffy rug, velvet cushions, and metallic decor elements. Incorporate natural materials like wood or rattan for warmth and balance. Layering textures creates visual intrigue, making the room inviting and comfortable. This approach works wonders in both minimalist and maximalist designs. Embrace multifunctional furniture. Multifunctional furniture enhances both style and utility. Pieces like ottomans with hidden storage, extendable coffee tables, or modular sofas adapt to various needs. They save space while maintaining a clean aesthetic. These versatile options are ideal for smaller living rooms, ensuring every piece serves a purpose without overcrowding the space. Create a gallery wall. A gallery wall is a personalized and artistic touch for your living room. Mix and match framed artwork, family photos, or travel souvenirs to create a unique display. Use uniform frames for a sleek look or experiment with different sizes and styles for a more eclectic vibe. This feature becomes a conversation starter and reflects your personality. Add indoor plants. Indoor plants infuse freshness and life into your living room. Choose low-maintenance plants like snake plants, pothos, or succulents for easy care. Statement plants like fiddle-leaf figs or monstera can add drama. Place them in stylish planters or hanging baskets to elevate the decor. Greenery not only enhances aesthetics, but also purifies the air and creates a calming environment. Incorporate mirrors for space enhancement. Mirrors are excellent for creating an illusion of space in smaller living rooms. A large mirror opposite a window reflects natural light, making the room brighter and more open. Decorative mirrors with interesting frames double as artwork. Strategically placed, mirrors can highlight other design elements and add a touch of glamour. Upgrade your flooring. Flooring plays a vital role in the overall look of your living room. Choose materials like hardwood, laminate, or elegant tiles for durability and style. Complement them with a soft area rug to define the seating area and add warmth. Patterned or textured rugs can be a focal point, while neutral tones keep the room grounded and cohesive. Focus on comfortable seating. Comfortable seating is a cornerstone of a welcoming living room. Choose sofas and chairs with plush cushions and durable fabrics. Arrange the seating to promote conversation and interaction, ensuring all spots have a good view of the focal point. Use smart technology. Integrating smart technology adds convenience and modernity to your living room. Smart lighting systems let you adjust brightness and color temperature via an app or voice command. Automated blinds, surround sound speakers, and smart thermostats elevate comfort. These features combine functionality with cutting-edge style, making your living room a futuristic haven. Accessorize thoughtfully. Accessories bring personality to your living room. Choose items like decorative cushions, cozy throws, vases, or books to enhance the space. Candles or diffusers add a sensory element with soothing fragrances. Be mindful not to overcrowd the room. Select meaningful pieces that align with the overall theme, ensuring the space remains balanced and stylish. Conclusion: your living room is more than just a space. It's a reflection of your personality and lifestyle. By blending creativity with functionality, you can design a living room that feels both inviting and visually stunning. Use these ideas as a foundation to create a space where you'll love spending time with family and friends. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.